right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power sunroof, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.